fourth spot of the day. New spot, never been here. Fox Pro Houghton Quiver Critter. Wind in our face, kind of cross actually. And it's just it looks like it's snowed. There's such a heavy frost. So we're excited. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Awesome. Thank you, Lord. Stay ready, because a lot of times they'll come again. What was that, 20 seconds?
Yeah.
Were you still recording?
Yeah.
That's amazing. You never even stopped recording.
Yeah, I stopped recording and I turned it back on.
Oh.
You come in a hurry, didn't
Good.
you?
I told you. I told you they're bedded close.
Right here. 2 of them. Double.
Keep on him. Stay on him.
Okay.
I missed him.
Okay.
That was a tough shot through some stuff. Well, that's 2.
I didn't have a very good run on him. I lost him.
This one, did you get the first shot?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. I definitely missed that shot.
I don't know. He stumbled. Looked at me like
I was pretty confident in my pull that it was off.
it looked to me like he jumped.
The power plant life is not good to my cardio. 4 came, 2 left. And I can't breathe. Absolutely awesome. Awesome set. I'm gonna go ahead and make this safe. Should have done that before I was walking down there. But I did keep it in a safe direction. So it's February 15th, 4th stand of the day. It was 14 degrees this morning. It's 9:46 right now. And I mean, 30 seconds, 20 seconds after I turned on the call, Dad said, here they are on the left. 2 of them come up down there. One came through that gap, I think, or under the fence. Dropped him, had to shoot him moving because he wouldn't stop when I was whooping at him. And then his counterpart disappeared over that bluff down there before I could get another shot. A couple minutes later on Pup Distress, Fox Bang took over, and 2 more came in. He said, here they are. Same thing, only he stopped, pulled up, dropped him. I took a running shot. A directly, what is that, perpendicular? Directly perpendicular shot when they're running cross is probably the toughest shot versus running towards you or away. And then I took the shot and I didn't feel like it hit. I mean, he didn't show much sign of it, so. But nonetheless, awesome morning here. Couldn't really ask for a better morning. It's awful cold, but we're gonna try one more spot. The Ruger American 223 did its job. That's the 9th Coyote of the year for him. I'm shooting a Caldwell bipod, one that tilts. I highly recommend it. Swagger's probably awesome. I got this for Christmas and I never shot off one, so I can't speak for them. Nonetheless, this is a good bipod. I'm shooting a Nikon BDC 3x9x50 Ruger, Hornady American Gunner 55 grain hollow points. and that's about it. This morning we're gonna go to a place, and I went to jump off the four-wheeler trailer, and I ripped my good hunting pants that Alex Perry gave me. So I'm gonna have to do some sewing on that, but let's get out there and try to get some more, Dad. What do you say?
Let's go try another.
All right. All right, so I made it back to the house, talked to my pretty mama here, and she informed me that upon watching my last video, she was under the impression that after I shot the first coyote, I let that coyote lay there and squall for a minute and a half. Bless her heart. She didn't know how to call. If anybody's out there watching and you think we're being cruel, that's the call that's making those squealing noises. The ammunition we use drops the coyotes most of the time instantly, or they don't go far. And that squealing you're hearing is the call. And we're preventing a lot of people's pets from dying and a lot of people's cattle and whatnot. So we're doing a good thing, but don't think that necessarily that's an animal out there suffering. It's just a call. I know most of you hunters watching think I'm dumb for saying this, but Mama thought Mama thought this pup was out there suffering, which we would never condone or encourage anyone to do that to animals. So, fun fact. Say hi.
Hi.